In this video, I'm going to tell you pretty much everything you need to know about AutoDS if you're considering using it for your dropshipping business, or if you want to start a dropshipping business and you're not sure which platform to use. So I'm going to talk about pricing, I'm going to talk about integrations, I'm going to talk about scalability, I'm going to talk about customer reviews, and a bunch of other stuff as well. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. And I've also included the link to AutoDS in the description of this video and the pinned comment. So if you want to check it out, you can do so using the link below. Now first, let's talk about the pricing and subscription model, starting with AutoDS. As you can see, AutoDS offers plans with many different platforms that you can choose from, starting from eBay, including Shopify, Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Woo, and Etsy. And so the pricing is different depending on which platform you want to integrate with. And you're actually getting charged based on the number of products that you import into your platform. If you're trying to sell like 200 different products, then you can do this first plan here, and then it goes all the way up to 1,000 for the advanced plan. And if you need even more than that, you can choose a custom plan that goes up to 100,000 or even more, and you would have to contact sales for that. So you can see the price starts at about 20 bucks a month and goes up to like 50 bucks a month, all the way up to potentially a lot more with the custom plan. But you will get a 25% discount if you pay annually instead of monthly, so it is a bit cheaper. And you can see right here all the different features and things that are included. You can use the link in the description to follow along and just look at the different features that are included. So as you can see, AutoDS allows you to integrate with the most popular platforms for dropshipping like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, Wix, and WooCommerce. And that makes it really versatile for people that are trying to sell across these popular channels. Now, AutoDS excels in providing comprehensive automation capabilities like automatic price and stock adjustments, order processing, and auto uploading tracking numbers. So this is really essential if you're trying to scale your operations effectively. AutoDS allows easy import of products from numerous suppliers like AliExpress, Amazon, and Walmart. It also provides robust tools for editing and customizing product details before they are listed on various sales channels. Let's talk about order fulfillment and tracking. So AutoDS provides a comprehensive solution for order fulfillment, including automated order placement and integration with various shipping solutions that can help you streamline your logistics. AutoDS provides excellent customer support. It's known for its 24/7 live chat. It has a bunch of tutorials as well on the website, like the onboarding, about, helps you with configurations, and a bunch of other stuff. And they have a help center here where you can actually submit a form, and they usually get back to you within 24 hours. AutoDS also has a really active community for peer support and tips as well. AutoDS offers detailed analytics and customer reporting capabilities that are crucial for tracking business performance and for making informed decisions across multiple platforms. AutoDS has a modern, intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users across different platforms. AutoDS is designed to scale with your business. You can scale to the moon. It's capable of handling a large volume of products and orders across multiple platforms, and that makes it ideal for a dropshipper who's looking to expand and scale their business. As you can see, AutoDS has over 7,600 reviews with an average rating of 4.8, which is excellent, and it is a verified company with almost all 5 stars. As early as just a day ago or 2 days ago, you can see that people really like AutoDS, and it has amazing reviews. For your convenience, I've included the link to AutoDS in the description of this video as well as the pinned comment. So make sure you use that link if you want to try it out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.